Have you ever wondered how seemingly unrelated health issues might be interconnected? This thought may have crossed your mind, but have you ever dived deep into this perception? It is a question that surpasses the bounds of mere curiosity and fascination. It is a scientific query that has the potential to unravel a wealth of knowledge about human health, the complexity of diseases, and the intricate balance within our body. Have you ever pondered the possible relationship between diseases such as diabetes, gut health issues, inflammation, and even Alzheimer's? These ailments, though differently manifested and treated surprisingly, might not be as unrelated as we think. This proposition, which at first might seem far-fetched, is a subject of profound scientific exploration that is currently leading to some groundbreaking revelations. Recent medical research has lifted the veil on a compelling association between these four health conditions. It is a connection that is thought-provoking, compelling, and above all, vital to our human health. It is a revelation that is revolutionizing the way we perceive and treat diseases. This newfound knowledge belongs to a burgeoning field of study that is revealing an intricate and dynamic network of interactions within our body. It is mapping the interconnections between our gut, our brain, our immune response, and our metabolic health. This scientific narrative is offering a new lens to view our health, a lens that magnifies the importance of our gut health. It's a story that begins in the gut, where trillions of bacteria, known as the gut microbiota, live and thrive. This is only the start, and the chapters that follow promise to be just as fascinating. A healthy gut is a diverse one, teeming with an astounding variety of beneficial bacteria. Within this microscopic world, a myriad of microorganisms call our gut home, and they play crucial roles in the optimal functioning of our bodies. These microbial friends, each of which has its unique functions, help us digest food, down complex molecules into simpler forms that our body can utilize. More than just aiding digestion, these helpful bacteria also produce essential vitamins that our body needs but can't manufacture on its own, including vitamin K and certain types of vitamin B. Our dependence on these microbes extends even further. They play a substantial role in the functioning and regulation of our immune system, helping our body distinguish between invaders and non-harmful entities, and modulating our immune responses accordingly. However, like any balanced ecosystem, this gut community can be thrown out of balance. This disturbance can be the result of various factors ranging from unhealthy diet to excessive use of antibiotics. When this happens, the beneficial bacteria are overwhelmed, leading to a state of chronic inflammation within the gut. This chronic inflammation, if left unchecked, isn't a mild irritant but a serious health concern. Over time, the persistent inflammation can lead to a host of diseases. One of these is diabetes, a metabolic disorder characterized by high blood sugar levels over a prolonged period. Chronic inflammation is now recognized as a significant risk factor for developing diabetes. The link between the two is becoming clear as researchers uncover the complex mechanisms that underlie these conditions. Diabetes is not just another disease. It's a global health issue, affecting hundreds of millions of people worldwide. This disorder has far-reaching consequences that extend beyond those directly affected, impacting economies and societies at large. Through understanding and maintaining the health of we can potentially prevent or manage this chronic condition effectively. A healthy gut, after all, is the key to overall health and well-being. Diabetes is a metabolic disorder characterized by high blood sugar levels over a prolonged period. It's a global health issue, affecting hundreds of millions of people worldwide. But how is all this connected to Alzheimer's, a disease of the brain? To comprehend this, we must first understand the complex biological mechanisms that interconnect our gut, our immune system, and our brain. These vital networks form a bridge between these significant bodily systems, enabling them to communicate and influence each other's functions. This interconnectedness is defined by the term gut-brain axis, a concept that has been gaining considerable attention in the world of medical science. The gut-brain axis is a bidirectional communication system, meaning that while the brain can send signals to the gut, it can also send signals back to the brain. It plays a crucial role in maintaining our overall health and well-being. When our gut is healthy and functioning optimally, it sends signals of harmony to the brain. However, when it is inflamed or distressed, it sends signals of distress to the brain. These signals are transmitted via the gut-brain axis, which acts as a kind of information highway. Inflammation in the gut could be due to a myriad of factors such as unhealthy diet, stress, lack of sleep, or when the gut is persistently inflamed, it continues to send these distress signals to the brain, alerting it that something is amiss. This persistent inflammation isn't just an isolated issue. Over time, if left unchecked, this chronic inflammation can take a toll on the brain. The continuous influx of distress signals can potentially instigate of neurodegeneration, where brain cells are gradually damaged and lost. This process of neurodegeneration is a characteristic feature, a defining hallmark, if you will, of Alzheimer's disease. Ultimately, the state of our gut health can have profound implications on our brain, and by extension, our cognitive health. Over time, this chronic inflammation can potentially lead to neurodegeneration, a hallmark of Alzheimer's disease. Moreover, research also indicates that diabetes could spike up the risk of Alzheimer's. This connection between the two severe conditions is more profound than we initially estimated. The world of medical science has long been aware of diabetes' impact on the body, from impacting vision to kidney health and even heart diseases. But it is only recently that scientists have started exploring the correlation between diabetes and the human brain. You see, diabetes is a condition characterized by high levels of sugar or glucose in the blood. These elevated blood sugar levels can potentially wreak havoc in the body. While we are mostly aware of the physical complications, the cognitive implications often get overlooked. And this is where Alzheimer's comes in. Alzheimer's disease is a progressive disorder that affects memory and other crucial mental functions. It is the most common form of dementia, a general term for a decline in mental ability severe enough to interfere with daily life. But what is the link between these two conditions? Well, it's the elevated blood sugar levels. High glucose levels in the bloodstream of a diabetic patient can cause significant damage to various parts of the body, including the brain. The damage caused to the blood vessels in the brain due to diabetes is particularly alarming. It disrupts the normal functioning of the brain, leading to cognitive decline. Over time, this cognitive decline can become more damaging, potentially leading to Alzheimer's disease. Studies have shown that prolonged exposure to high blood sugar levels can result in brain changes common in Alzheimer's patients. Thus, due to the damage wrought by diabetes, it may lead to cognitive decline and potentially Alzheimer's. So the relationship between diabetes and Alzheimer's disease is not just a possibility but a proven fact, as demonstrated by numerous research studies. Elevated blood sugar levels in diabetes can cause damage to the blood vessels in the brain, leading to cognitive decline and potentially Alzheimer's. These insights, while complex, reveal a hopeful message. They invite us to delve into the intricate workings of our physical structure, to explore the miracles housed within our very own bodies. With every pulsing heartbeat, every breath we take, our body is engaged in a beautiful symphony, a choreography of intricate systems that work in harmony to sustain us. One cannot help but marvel at the of our body's systems. It is akin to a finely tuned orchestra playing in perfect harmony, each instrument contributing to the grand symphony of life. The heart beats rhythmically, pumping life-giving oxygen to every cell. The lungs expand and contract, inhaling vital air while expelling waste. The brain, our body's command center, coordinates all these activities while housing our thoughts, memories, and emotions. It's an intricate dance of biology that plays out within us every day, silently and seamlessly. Each system within our body influences and is influenced by another. Just like a cascading row of dominoes, a ripple in one system can trigger a tidal wave of effects in others. By understanding this interconnectedness, we can begin to see how our actions, our lifestyle choices, can have far-reaching effects on our health. We start to understand that maintaining a healthy, just about digestive health, but also about nurturing our brain. Similarly, well-managed blood sugar levels don't merely prevent diabetes, they contribute to our overall physical and mental well-being. Such an understanding can potentially prevent or delay the onset of these diseases. It's about learning how to listen to our bodies, to recognize the signs of imbalance and take action before it's too late. It's about proactively caring for our bodies, nourishing them with wholesome foods, regular exercise, and adequate rest. A healthy gut and well-managed blood sugar levels can contribute to a healthy brain and a reduced risk of Alzheimer's. The knowledge that we can influence our health through conscious choices is indeed a hopeful message. So let's embark on the journey of health, armed with understanding and commitment. So what does all this mean for us? It means that taking care of our gut health, managing inflammation, and controlling diabetes are not just separate health goals. They are interconnected strategies that could potentially help us maintain our cognitive health as we age. In conclusion, the link between diabetes, gut health, inflammation, and Alzheimer's is a testament to the intricate interplay of our body's systems. It's a reminder of the importance of a holistic approach to health. And most importantly, it's a beacon of hope, illuminating the path to potential prevention strategies. Indeed, the human body is a marvel, a complex network of interconnections, and as we continue to unravel these connections, we move closer to understanding how to preserve our health and well-being, not in parts, but as a whole. The story is still unfolding, and it promises to be a fascinating journey.